This video training series is brought to you by Friday People, the National Lottery Community Fund and Proud Business Productions. Okay, so now we've been through everything. The last thing I want to leave you with is sort of like an action plan on what to do next. So the first thing you need to do is think about the subject of your video. And I know that might seem like a daunting task, but the best thing to do is just to come up with as many ideas as possible. 99% of them might be absolute rubbish, but all you're looking for is that one idea. So just come up with all the different things that mean something to you, that is a story that you would like to tell, and then pick your one idea. After that, then you want to start planning. So you want to think, okay, this is a story I want to tell. What camera angles, what motions can I use to help tell that story? Then it's just a case of getting out there and filming it. You know, film your interview first and then maybe make a shot list of all the different extra shots that you can get to help tell your story. After that, it's just a case of editing it all together and creating your final video. The one thing I will say is when you start doing this sort of thing, you might have a tendency to not want to release it until it's perfect. But nothing is ever perfect, because your idea of what perfect changes as you go along. As you learn more things, your idea of perfection increases. So the best thing to do is just finish it, get it out there, and then whatever you learn from it, whatever feedback you get, you can then put into your next video. I hope you found this helpful, but if you got any questions, need any extra help, please feel free to get in touch.